Technology plays an increasingly important role in our daily lives, from the way we communicate and work to the way we entertain ourselves and stay informed. It has revolutionized nearly every aspect of human existence, making our lives easier, more convenient, and more connected than ever before. With the rise of the internet and mobile devices, technology has become an integral part of our culture, shaping the way we interact with each other and the world around us. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been the emergence of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions and control the creation of new units. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, hundreds of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and uses. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued and regulated by governments or central banks, cryptocurrencies operate independently of any central authority. They use decentralized systems, such as blockchain technology, to record and verify transactions, which makes them more secure and transparent than traditional financial systems. Cryptocurrencies can be used to make purchases and payments online, as well as for investment and speculative purposes. The popularity of cryptocurrencies has grown rapidly in recent years, with more and more people investing in them and using them for various purposes. However, they are also subject to volatility and fluctuations in value, which can make them risky for investors. Additionally, they are not yet widely accepted as a form of payment, which limits their usefulness in daily life. Despite these challenges, cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry and change the way we think about money and value. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more innovations in the cryptocurrency space, as well as in other areas of our lives. By staying informed about these developments, we can better understand the role of technology in our lives and take advantage of its many benefits. The history of cryptocurrencies dates back to the early 1980s when a group of computer scientists started exploring the idea of creating a digital currency that would be decentralized and independent of governments and financial institutions. However, it was not until the emergence of Bitcoin in 2009 that the idea of a decentralized digital currency became a reality. Bitcoin was created by an unknown individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency was designed to operate on a decentralized peer-to-peer network, which would allow users to make transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. The currency was also designed to have a finite supply, with a total of 21 million bitcoins set to be created. In the early days of Bitcoin, it was primarily used by tech enthusiasts and libertarians who were drawn to its decentralized and anti-establishment nature. However, as the currency gained more attention and its value began to rise, it started to attract mainstream investors and speculators. The success of Bitcoin led to the creation of many other cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and uses. These currencies include Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many others. Today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with its own market capitalization and user base. The rise of cryptocurrencies has not been without controversy, however. One of the biggest challenges facing the industry has been the issue of regulation. Many governments and financial institutions have been skeptical of cryptocurrencies, seeing them as a threat to traditional financial systems and a tool for illicit activities such as money laundering and tax evasion. Despite these challenges, the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, with more and more people investing in them and using them for various purposes. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have become increasingly mainstream, with many businesses and individuals accepting them as a form of payment. The future of cryptocurrencies is uncertain, but one thing is clear: they have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry and change the way we think about money and value. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more innovations in the cryptocurrency space, as well as in other areas of our lives. By staying informed about these developments, we can better understand the role of cryptocurrencies in our world and take advantage of their many benefits. Blockchain technology is a revolutionary concept that has the potential to transform various industries, including finance, healthcare, logistics, and more. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and transparent ledger system that enables secure and efficient transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. The technology behind blockchain is based on a network of computers that work together to verify and record transactions. Each transaction is stored in a block, which is linked to the previous block in the chain, creating an immutable and transparent record of all transactions. One of the key features of blockchain is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional financial systems, which rely on central authorities to verify and process transactions, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing transactions to be verified and processed by a network of computers rather than a single entity. Another important feature of blockchain is its security. The technology uses advanced encryption techniques to ensure that transactions are secure and tamper-proof. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, making the system highly resistant to fraud and hacking. Blockchain has many potential applications, including in the area of finance. The technology can be used to create decentralized payment systems that are faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional systems. It can also be used to create smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Beyond finance, blockchain can also be used to improve supply chain management by providing real-time tracking of goods and improving transparency and accountability. It can also be used to improve the security and privacy of healthcare data by enabling patients to control and share their data securely and transparently. Despite its many potential benefits, blockchain is still a relatively new technology, and there are many challenges that must be overcome before it can become widely adopted. These challenges include issues of scalability, interoperability, and regulatory uncertainty. Despite these challenges, the potential of blockchain technology is immense, and it is likely that we will see even more innovative applications of the technology in the coming years. By staying informed about these developments, we can better understand the role of blockchain in our world and take advantage of its many benefits. One of the key factors driving the value of cryptocurrencies is their limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed by central banks at will, most cryptocurrencies have a fixed supply cap. For example, the total supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million, which means that once this limit is reached, no more Bitcoin can be produced. This limited supply increases the scarcity of cryptocurrencies, which can drive up their value as demand increases. Another key factor that affects the value of cryptocurrencies is their perceived utility. Many cryptocurrencies have specific use cases, such as being used to make payments or as a store of value. The more utility a cryptocurrency has, the more likely it is to gain value as more people adopt and use it. Market prices for cryptocurrencies are determined by the forces of supply and demand. As more people buy a particular cryptocurrency, its price increases due to increased demand. Conversely, if more people sell a cryptocurrency, its price decreases due to increased supply. Market sentiment and news also play a significant role in determining prices, as positive news can lead to increased demand, while negative news can lead to increased selling pressure. One of the main reasons why cryptocurrencies are so volatile is due to their relatively small market size. The cryptocurrency market is still relatively small compared to traditional financial markets, which means that even small changes in demand or supply can have a significant impact on prices. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market can lead to heightened volatility, as there are no institutional safeguards to prevent price manipulation or sudden market movements. Cryptocurrencies have come a long way since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009. Over the years, the use cases and adoption of cryptocurrencies have grown significantly, with more individuals and institutions investing in them. In this article, we will explore what the future holds for cryptocurrencies, the latest developments, and what we can expect in the years to come. One of the most significant developments in the cryptocurrency industry is the growing institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies. Large companies and financial institutions such as PayPal, Square, and Tesla have invested in cryptocurrencies, which has brought more legitimacy to the industry. This trend is expected to continue as more companies see the potential of cryptocurrencies as a store of value and as a means of payment. Another area of growth for cryptocurrencies is in the field of decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is a system of financial applications built on top of blockchain technology that allows individuals to access financial services without the need for intermediaries such as banks. DeFi has seen significant growth in recent years, with a wide range of applications such as decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and stablecoins. Cryptocurrencies are also expected to play a significant role in the future of global remittances. Currently, sending money across borders can be expensive and time-consuming, with intermediaries taking a cut of the transaction. Cryptocurrencies provide a cheaper and faster alternative to traditional remittance services, with transactions settling almost instantly and with low fees.